Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn about double integrals. But we want to take this question and study some aspects of it. And as time goes on, we are going to finish everything. Okay, so this question is telling us to compute this double integral over the an indicated rectangle. Okay, so the rectangle given, uh, the x, the r equals the r will stand for the region in which the rectangle is. That is 2 comma 4 for the x and 1 comma 2 for the y. So these values that have been given to you will stand for the lower and upper limits that you are going to use towards integrate. So with this we have 2 as the lower limit of x and 4 as the upper limit of x, 1 as the lower limit of y and 2 as the upper limit of y. Thank you. Okay, so now this is how we write our whole situation. Since we are going to integrate this value with respect to x and with respect to y, we make sure that our dA, that is our area, is also equal to our dx dy. So we replace the whole thing by the whole dA with dx dy, and we write our integral with its respective limits. So I can take any of the points. I can integrate with respect to y first or with respect to x first. So any one I take. So I'm going to take the y values here, that is 1 to 2. Now take the x values here, that is 2 to 4. And I'll write my function. And instead of dA, I write dx dy. Okay, so when it happens this way, I can write my integration as 2 to 4 6xy squared, sorry, or this dx closing the bracket integrated the integration by dy. Okay, so now I evaluate what is inside and I get 3x squared y squared, and I introduce my limits, that dy. Okay, so let me take this away. Okay, so now my integral from 1 to 2 still remains, and so now we evaluate this putting in our x values minus 3 into bracket 2 square y square, or that what dy. So 2 1 and this 1648 y square minus 4 3 12 y square, or this dy. Okay, so integral from 1 to 2 is 36 y squared of dy. Then now we are going to integrate what we have here with respect to y. That is why it's called the double integral. We are going to integrate twice. Yes. So now we simplify our integration and we get 12 y cubed. And this introducing our interval or upper and lower limits. Then you see 12y cubed, and our 12y cubed, you see 12 into brackets 2 cubed minus 12 1 cubed. That is going to give us 96 minus our 4. So our double integral will give us a value of 84. And that is how we solve our double integrals. So as we learned earlier, we are going to compute the integration of this expression over the region or over the rectangle negative 5 4 0 3. We know they are the x and y values respectively of this integration that we are going to do. So I can write my integration as integration of, this time around we can start with the x values. negative 5 4 integral of 0 3 of 2x minus 4y cubed. Now I want to integrate with y first, dy dx. Okay, so now my integral of negative 5 4 multiplying integral of 0 3 2x minus 4y cubed, all that dy equals in that dx. So integral of negative 5 to 4. When I compute this with respect to y, 2xy minus y exponent 4, and this with the given interval, all that dx. Okay, so if I input the values, I can say I have integration of negative 5 or 4 into bracket. My 3 will come to the y, and that is 6x minus 3 exponent 4, that is 81. But the 0 will take everything away, so we just dy. Now I integrate this with respect to x. Dx. So now I integrate this and I get a certain 3x squared minus 81x. And all this with the interval negative 5 to 4. So now I put the values and I'm getting 3 and then 4 minus a certain 81 4. All that minus a certain 3 negative 5 all squared minus 81 into bracket negative 5 close bracket. So I will do my computations. We have 48 minus 81 times 4, that is 324. All this minus 25 times 3, that is 75. But we are going to get, yes, our 75 minus minus. Okay, so there's a minus going to distribute. Let me make it simpler and understandable. So 75 plus 81 by 5, that is 405. And our 405 plus 75 ends up giving us 480. So 48 minus 324 minus our 480. So when I sum this whole expression, then I end up getting negative 756. So this is my integration under the given region. Thank you.